Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am taking a look at the new Ryze Tello. Today it finally arrived. I ordered this about 3 weeks ago and I've been waiting for it to come, and today was the day it finally got delivered from DJI. Now all I'm going to do in this video is take you through some of the basics. I'm not going to do an unboxing because, to be honest, there isn't a lot to unbox. In the package you get a drone, you get one battery that is included with the drone, you get a spare set of props and a manual. So that's the unboxing bit handled. What I'm going to talk to you about is a few things about how it works and my first impressions of it, because I've been flying this for the last few hours and actually I love it to pieces. So let's get on with it. So if you don't know what the Tello is, it is a small, fun-flying $99.99 programmable drone. However, it contains some very special features. It is powered by both Intel and DJI technology, specifically DJI's flight controller, and that brings a whole host of features that we have not seen on anything like this before. That includes things like visual positioning system. So when we look on the bottom of the drone, you can see that there are 2 infrared sensors and a camera. And just like larger aircraft like the Mavic Air, it's able to maintain its position indoors and give you that locked in GPS hold type feel when flying without GPS itself. It's powered by a 1S 1.1 amp hour battery, which will give you up to 13 minutes flight time. It uses brushed motors and has a 720p 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi control and is designed to be hooked up to your smartphone. It does not come with a remote controller, however it does support certain third-party remotes. So you can pair something like the SteelSeries Nimbus to your smartphone and you are also able to control the Tello via that. The camera is a 5 megapixel image stabilized unit. It does not have an onboard SD card, however all image data is transferred via the Wi-Fi link back to your smart device for the live feed. In stills, it takes a full 5 megapixel still and transfers it over Wi-Fi, and in video it records a copy of the live feed that you see on your smart device. Looking round the Tello itself, you can see that it is actually very well made. You have the camera located in the centre at the front with the status LED to the right hand side. On the side you have the power button which turns the aircraft on and off, and on the opposite side you have the micro USB port. This is used for charging the Tello battery and can be used with any standard USB charger. It does come included with prop guards, but these are also removable as well. Looking closer at the Tello app, you can see that there are a number of options on the screen. Along the top you have the automatic takeoff, the flight modes and the settings options. In the middle you have the battery level, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth status, as well as the horizontal and vertical speed. Next you then have playback, which shows your stills and video, the camera option which changes between stills and video, and then the record shutter button. Looking at the flight modes themselves, you can see that there are a number of features on this little aircraft. The first is bounce mode, which makes the Tello go up and down automatically in its airspace. The next one is 360 video, and what the aircraft will do is take a rotating 360-degree video of its surroundings. Flips is the option where the Tello is able to flip forward, back, left and right automatically. You can control this via on-screen, and you can also enable this via an external remote controller if you're using one. Moving along to the rest, you have throw and go, which means the Tello will automatically hover when you throw it into the sky, and up and out records a short video while flying upwards and backwards, giving you that selfie image. Finally, you have circle, which records a short video with the aircraft flying in an orbit. Under settings, you have a number of options. You have slow and fast, which changes how the aircraft responds to stick inputs, and under more, you have a whole host of other options like setting metric imperial, photo quality from normal to high, as well as low battery warning and image bitrate for the live feed. Overall, I've been flying the Tello on and off all day and I am extremely impressed with this little aircraft. The programmable features have got me really excited. I've started having a play with drone blocks as well as Scratch, and it really does bring a whole new element to the table that we have not seen with a small aircraft before. I have really enjoyed flying the Tello today, and I've had a few hours with it, and I've even crashed it as well. When paired up with something like the SteelSeries Nimbus remote controller, it is really easy to fly and fun to fly. You have all the options you would need available via the on-screen controls, as well as the sticks on board here as well. It costs $99 or £99, and it's pretty incredible for the price. The fact you've got a DJI flight controller, a whole host of special features, and you're able to give it to young people, kids, and let them learn via Scratch and Drone Blocks. It really is an interesting and fascinating product, and I really can't wait to see where people take it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will do another one again soon.